My name is Claudia and I'm the science educator here at the Paper Discovery Center. I want to talk about the exciting workshop we'll be offering for the month of October. But this workshop is going to be run by Hillary, our paper lab educator. So I'm going to go ahead and turn around to her so she can talk a little bit more about that.
Hi, my name is Hillary Rapp and I'm the paper lab educator here at the Paper Discovery Center. And I would like to warmly welcome you to our Lit Cards workshop. And because it's October, we have some Halloween themes going here. We have, in fact, this kind of will press on here and you can kind of see how they work. And if we keep our fingers on here long enough, you can see the colors start to change, which is fun.
That is fun.
Yep. And then we have another Halloween one over here.
Trick or treat.
Yep. We'll have fun papers included if you're interested in that Halloween theme. We'll also have some basics here. If you want to make a regular greeting card, you can do that. Or maybe you want to make a birthday card for someone special. You can do that too.
Okay. All right, so basically, lit cards are cards that light up. But Hillary, can you tell me a little bit more about how do you make them light up?
Sure, let's do that. Let's take one apart here. So, let's open this up. So the first thing we start out with is a nice quality cardstock. We'll have a place to write. You can have your own message there. We'll open it up. I'll turn it upside down here. You can see we cut a little hole so that we can see through to the light and put some vellum in there. Then we have some copper tape and a light bulb with an electric circuit. And then, if we open this up, we got a place to hide our battery.
A little battery pouch.
Absolutely.
Okay, so you'll be teaching us how to do that.
Yes.
A little bit of craft, a little bit of science.
You've got it.
That sounds great. Okay, so are all of these materials included in the workshop?
Yeah, so you'll learn how to make the card, and you'll also have materials that you need. The paper, the copper tape, the light bulb, the batteries. In fact, we'll give you enough materials to make 2 cards in the workshop.
2 cards. Okay, people, did you hear that? That is 2 cards, not 1, which is pretty exciting. And when is this workshop?
It's on Wednesday, October 20th. It's a 2-hour workshop, and we'll start promptly at 5:30.
5:30, okay. And how do we buy tickets if we're interested?
You can do that on the Paper Discovery Center website, and there's a little tab that you can hit on there.
A little tab, I think, that's called workshops, right? Yeah. And there you can purchase the tickets for Lit Cards workshop. For more information, you can also contact our lovely educator, paper lab educator, Hillary. This is her information. And I think she has a message for all of us before we go.
It's just take some fun time for yourself. Maybe invite a friend or two. You can light up your own life and light up the life of someone else in the process.
Exactly.
Hope to see you.
Yes, hope to see you guys in this amazing workshop. Okay, bye.